Hello guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials. And this tutorial I am going to teach you how to create an interactive quiz like this using Microsoft PowerPoint. So as you can see, let me preview it so you can see how it works. Alright, so you see how it works. So now without wasting so much of your time, let's get started. So I'm not going to save this. So first of all, when you have your slide issue, the first thing you have to do there is to change the layout here to blank. And you then move on to the design tab. And from there, we'll come and change the slide size here. So let's use A4 here and click on OK. So now I want us to format this background. So to do that, you simply have to right click on the background here and click on format background. So you now come to the solid field here and you're going to choose any color of your choice. So I'll go with this color. So after that, I'll go to the insert tab and go to shapes. And I'm going to insert this shape right here. Not that one, I made a mistake. I didn't choose the right shape. So I'm going to insert this shape right here. So I'm removing the outline. And with the shape field, the color of it, I'm choosing this color. So I'm just adjusting the length of it. So I'll make a copy of this one here. So but I'll rather reduce this side. So I'll take the two also and I'll make another copy here. Alright, now so I'll now take this one and I'll reduce the size a little. So not only that, I'm changing the shape field also to this color. You can change it to any color to suit you. You can change it to white or any color of your choice. But I'm using this color again. So I'll make another copy here. So I'll take these two and I'll make another copy to this side. Alright, so now I want us to go to the insert tab. You're now going to insert a shape, a text box in it. So click on this one and come and click here to insert your text box. So with this one, come here, the font that we have to use here will be the Arial Black. And the size, we are going with 28. So I'll go with A alphabet. You gently have to align it inside here. So let me increase it a little. So lastly, I think here will be T. So now let's take this text again. We are just going to make another copy inside here. So when you now bring it here, the first thing that you have to do here is to again change the font of this one. I don't want us to use this font. So I'll first of all change the font to Arial. And with the size, I want us to go with 28. So that will be the question 1. So the question 1, I'm just going to ask a question like, which team won the 2026 FIFA World Cup. So I'll just make another copy here. So I want only the text. So here I'll change it to themes like France, so we have Spain, Argentina, so lastly here you have England. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. I'll go back to Insert tab, go to Shapes. Now insert this shape right here. So I don't want it to have any shape fill. But with the outline, let's go with color white. So I'll come here and increase it a little. So instead of 1, the weight will be 2. So now let's do something here. I'm just going to select this one, the text, and I'll select the shape also as well. Using the control, I'll press and hold the control key and select it one after the other. So I'll use the control G to group it into one. So I'll come to animations. So I'll choose wipe. So from there I can now choose the wipe direction. So I can see it from left. Alright, so I'll come here. So the delay here, I'm going to make it 5. Or no, I'll make it 0.75. So I'll now come to this one also. So I'll just select the whole of this one. So to select all of it, so I'll select this one also and add. So I'll use the control G to group that one also. But with this one, I'll choose fade. So here, instead of on click, I'll change it to previous. So if I use the previous, meaning that it will start after this one. So the delay, I'm just going to use, I'll add 0.5 to it. So making it of 75. So I'll do the same to apply to this one. So let's start this one after the previous one. So here I'll change it back to 5. Alright, so now I'm just going to come to this one and I'll make a duplicate of it. So I'll click on duplicate slide. So I'll duplicate it one more time. So I'll just come here and I'll change only the text there. So that will be 2. Which team played the FIFA World Cup final with Spain? So I'll go with 2026. So we can just leave it this way. Let me just leave it this way. So I'll come to this one and I'll change this question also. Kylian Mbappe scored how many goals in the 2026 FIFA World Cup? So with this one, I'll just change the figures here to 12, 10, 9, 11. So I guess this one is having a problem here. So let me just do it again and see. I think I forgot to group it. So the delay here, I just have to correct that one. So let me come here also and make sure that one also is corrected. So that one also, I'll group it. I'll use fade, and we should also start after the previous one. So now I want us to go back to the first slide here. So when you now come here, you have to now add a transition to it. So I'll just click here on the background, and I'll come here the transition. So you can either use push, you can either use wipe or revealed, any of it. So I'll use wipe. So with the wipe, I'll come here. So I will make sure that it will apply to all. So the duration here, I said the duration, it will come here on the on click, just remove it. So you just give a timer to it. Each transition will take how many minutes? So assuming I would say all of it, the transition must take 5 minutes. So what it means is that when it comes to this first place, if the transition starts, this question will only take 5 minutes for them to answer. So before you to move on to the next one, I getting it. So after 5 minutes of this question, you move to the next one, and after 5 minutes of the next question, you also move to this one. All right, so I'll apply it to all. So let's start the preview and see what will happen. All right, so you see everything looks nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching. See you later in my next video.